Hello friends. Today my topic is what is a blockchain. So friends, I want to show you how to create blockchain wallet and what is blockchain wallet. Everyone knows blockchain wallet, but everyone does not consider what is blockchain wallet because every foreign companies and many companies are creating blockchain wallet provide blockchain income through the dollar, Ethereum, and very different monies in another countries. So, friends, how to create blockchain wallet and what is blockchain wallet? Let's we get start. So first we can go to Play Store, then we can search we can search blockchain wallet. There blockchain wallet. So this type of icon I can use blockchain wallet, and this is the best application for blockchain wallet creating your account. So get we can open I can open, then I will creating my account. First go to create an account. So friends, it's very simple to create an account. Then you can invest more places to return high money to the type of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Anthracite. So first register your email address, any email address. So this is my email address. Password any. So friends, then confirm your password. Then continue. Go to next step. So friends, you are creating your PIN. Re-enter your PIN. So friends, it's a very simple. You can watch. Then this application are many different countries money are so on. Just searching, buffering, just wait. Look at there friends, I can Skype this because I cannot now. So friends, there are look total balance are 0, pounds income, euros income, Bitcoin, Ether, Bitcoin Cash, Stellar, Allo Gold, US dollar. Every countries and every digital income are shown on this application, and you can easily buy and you can easily sell on this method and this application. So friends, I can explain you this application now some place, because this is also buy cryptocurrency, backup funds address. You can enter any country address, exchange, you can exchange any dollar to rupees, any euros to someone, and many options are shown on this application. So friends, you have teach them, you have helpful for this video, you can share, you can like, you can subscribe my channel, because I am new on YouTube. So your support is very important. Then thanks for watching, friends, thanks for watching.